Hi everyone, my name is Rico, and I am a solo full-stack developer. Today I want to talk about a massive gap into the crypto ecosystem. We have a great stable coins like MNEE, and we have millions of e-commerce merchants running on the Web2 platforms like Joomla. If a Joomla merchant wants to accept the crypto today, they usually have two bad choices. So the first one is centralized gateway, like BitPay. They charge the high fees, require the KYC, and hold your keys. And the secondly is a manual transfers, asking customer to send money to wallet address manually. It is messy, hard to track, and bad for users' experience. So I asked myself whether or not can I build a commercial-grade self-hosted payment gateway that allows any Joomla merchant to accept the MNEE directly. The answer is yes. Basically, it is a plug-and-play extension that instantly upgrades a standard Web2 store into a Web3 native commerce platform. So on the front end, I use the Ethers.js to interact directly with the user's MetaMask. This ensures the payment is permissionless. On the backend, it is where many hackathon projects fail, but mine is different. I built a custom PHP verification layer, so I don't trust the front end. My servers independently connects to the Sepolia RPC node to verify the transaction's hash on-chain. It ensures that every order marked as a paid is mathematically guaranteed by the blockchain.
So I want to show you guys how it works. Firstly, we should put the zip file into here, and then we need to find the size models and set up the size models and to put the position over here. And then you can choose the module assignment. You can choose it on the all page or only on the page selected, anything you want. After that, we can go to our slide. So first step is click the step 1 to approve the MNEE, and you will receive this MetaMask because it's connected to the MetaMask. You have to put the passport here, and then you can see the spending cap request is over here. After the customer confirmed all the details, we can click the confirm and wait for the confirmation. It is processing right now. Okay, it's very fast. And then it said, oh, okay, I received it. So I go to the next step, pay and review the receipt. So it's very important. So it has the processing payment. The customer have to check everything is correct. So over here, you can say that you send the money, how much the money you send, and then this is the address, and the address was the network fee, and there's some details over here, and check that everything is correct, and we can click the confirm. Okay, we will go to the transaction details. So everything is depending right now. So give it some seconds, maybe around 5 seconds, and then we can click the F5, which is a refresh it. Give it some time. So for here, it's a processing right now, and we can see that it's from this address to this address. Okay, after that, we can see that it's all finished. There's a transaction detail over here. We can see what is happening over here and gas price and what's the timestamp and the blockchain and the address. So we go back to the payment. We can see that all the payment verified is all being confirmed. So if you want to send another money, you can return the home and finish it. We can do this step. Do the first step again if you want to send another money. It's just the one MNEE which I set up.
So most of the people assume e-commerce needs a middleman. My project proves it doesn't. The firstly, zero middleman. The MNE goes directly from the customer's wallet to the merchant's smart contract. I don't touch the money. Joomla doesn't touch the money. The secondly, no monthly fees. Unlike Shopify, it will charge you $30 per month, and it is called the merchant's manuals. The thirdly is simple. I packaged the complex blockchain logic into a simple zip file installation. So as a solo developer, getting its full-stack MVP running from the solid contract to PHP backend was a challenge, but it works. For the roadmap, my plan is the firstly, add an admin discuss board for Joomla merchants. The secondly is most important. Since my backend code is modules, I plan to port this solution to WordPress and WooCommerce by supporting both Joomla and WordPress. This gateway could potentially power the MNE payments for half of the internet's e-commerce sites. Thank you very much.